Hello everyone. So today I had an exciting experience as I eagerly waited the arrival of my latest order from shein. So 7 days process as a you order by. Let's see, and I'm unboxing my shein order, and I carefully opened the box and was greeted by a box of vibrant color and neatly folded garment. And first month I chuckled, I saw like sandal. Who Nepali ni ta. Then let's see. अब मैले चाहिँ धेरै नै अर्डर गरेको थिएँ, but कतिवटा चाहिँ अराइभ भयो है. Okay, I don't have anyone to hold my camera, so I'm holding from my one hand, and एउटा ह्यान्डदेखि चाहिँ मैले सो गराइरहेको छु. सो यसो भयो है. सो यति धेरै क्लोथेसहरूमा चाहिँ मैले मगाएको थिएँ, अनि मैले वान पिसहरू, जम्पसुटहरू, रम्परहरू, जिन्सहरू, स्यान्डलहरू, because that's my first time, so I want to check everything. So अनि यो चाहिँ टी सर्ट रहेको छ, अनि यो चाहिँ क्रप टी. देन यसपछि यो चाहिँ मेरो हट प्यान्ट थियो, एन्ड द्याट वान इज आई थिङ्क टी सर्ट, एन्ड कति धेरै हो माई गड. या यो चाहिँ समर बिचको लागि हुन्छ भने मैले यो टी मगाएको थिएँ. देन त्यसपछि या यो चाहिँ बेस्ट होला, एन्ड द्याट वान इज अ फेक हेयर है. long fake hair. And another one is my phone case. Look, oh my god, that one is so freaking good. Yeah. Kati excited bhako ma. Oh my god, yeah, that one is so good. मैले 4वटा phone case मगाएको थिएँ. Okay, एउटा चाहिँ भयो, अर्को चाहिँ के छैन. That one is one piece, and okay. That one is I think jumpsuit, long jumpsuit I think. Yeah, because many more items missing. Like छुट्टा प्याकेज गरेर चाहिँ आउँदो रहेछ कि एकैचोटि चाहिँ आएन योपालि. एन्ड लुक दिस इयरिङ, ओ माई गड, कस्तो क्युट, कस्तो राम्रो. मैले चाहिँ उहाँले $2 हो कि $3 किनेको थिएँ, सेल थियो नि त, द्याट्स वाइ. ओके, लेट्स सी अनदर पनि यो बन हेयर रहेको छ, एन्ड द्याट वान इज सो गुड. ओके, I don't know what is this. Okay, and last one. Oh my god, that one is my cover. Oh my god, I'm so excited. अरू भन्दा नि मलाई मोबाइल कभर चाहिँ एकदम क्युट लाग्यो guys. Okay, this one. Yeah, okay, wait for a second. Okay, I found another one. Okay, that one is earring. Look, यो चाहिँ मेटलले बनेको थियो, and that one is so good. मेटलले बनेको छ, एकदम राम्रो क्युट. मैले सोचेको भन्दा नि राम्रो रहेछ. मैले जे एक्सपेक्ट गरेको थिएँ मलाई shein चाहिँ त्यही दियो. Cause yeah, overall my shein summer haul unboxing was a delightful experience. The clothes were as vibrant and trendy as they appear on the website, and the quality surpassed me as expectation. So shein had once again provided me with a range of fashionable options that allow me to express my personal style during the summer month. I'm so excited to wear that one all day, so I'm going to show you in part 2.